Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel again. Yes, it has been a long time that I did not make a video. Okay, so today I'll be making an unboxing video for this Xiaomi Redmi 10 mobile phone, smartphone. Okay, so before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for future video. Thank you. So this model is Redmi 10 color carbon gray. Okay, it came with actually this model came with three color, three model color. There's a pebble white and carbon gray and sea blue. So this is carbon gray. Okay, and this model is 6 gig RAM and 128 gig ROM. Right. So okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, still. Just got this from today, this morning. Okay. Yeah. Powered by Redmi, right? See that? Okay. Beautiful packing. Okay. Wow. So, oh, okay. This came with the silicone case. Beautiful. Transparent. Came it originally. Okay. With the silicone case. And these are the manual book. All right. Manual book. Okay. With a lot of language. And okay. Xiaomi warranty notice. And this is the quick guide or safety information. Sorry, it's a safety information. Okay, so we have this silicone case, right? So there you are, Redmi 10. Okay, so this model come with the storage RAM. Okay, as I mentioned, 6 gig and 128 gig ROM. Okay, and the dimension. Okay, the weight is 181 gram. Whoa. Okay, very light. Wow. The camera, back camera is a 50 megapixel. It's an AI quad camera with dual speaker. Okay, the most popular of this phone, it uses these what do you call this? Adaptive sync display, right? It's a 6.5-inch full HD, right? Okay, and the processor is octa core up to 2.0, and the battery came with 5000 milliampere. Okay, wow, and support 18-watt fast charging. Wonderful. Okay, so let's see what else inside the box first. Okay, it came with the original cable, USB cable. This is the charging cable and also a data cable. Okay, so it is a Type C. Okay, come with Type C. And this is the original Xiaomi adapter, right? Okay, come with 2 pin, and this is output 5 volt. Oh, 3.0 ampere. Okay, so it's 3.0 ampere, right? With Xiaomi logo. So I think yeah, that's all. There's no earpiece, no headphone. Okay, so we have this item that came together, right? Okay, so let's open up this one. Oh, look at the lens. They have 5 lens. Oh, sorry, 4 lens and 1 flash. It's an AI cam photography system. Okay, whoa, very nice carbon gray. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's very light. Okay, so it's a 6.5-inch Full HD, and the pixel is 2400 and 1080. Okay, so it's a Full HD. There's a sunlight display and also Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Wow. Okay, so the camera came with a 50 megapixel. Okay, and then 2 megapixel of macro camera and also a 2 megapixel of depth sensor. Yeah, depth sensor. All right, with a 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera. Okay, so there's a 4 lens here. So, and the front camera is 8 megapixel front camera. Okay, so the front camera video recording, there's a choice of you can choose up to 720 HD or Full HD 1080p. Okay, and wow, this is the side finger sensor. You can see that. Okay, it's the side finger sensor. Came with AI face unlock also. So this device came with it's a dual SIM card device, and the expandable storage up to 512 gigabit. Okay, and it support 4G, 2G, 3G, and 4G, and also the wireless network that we support is Bluetooth 5.1, and also support the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz of the Wi-Fi system, and also it support the FM radio. And the audio came with dual speaker. Okay, wow. So must be this and this dual speaker. Okay, with a 3.5 headphone jack and a proximity sensor. Okay, ambient light sensor, electronic compass, and with infrared blaster. Okay, where's the infrared? Okay, let's find out later on. The infrared sensor, and it's running on the Android 11. Okay, so let's power up. Okay, let's power up. There you are. Ta-da! Redmi, powered by Android. That's the reflection. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, setup complete. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, so it's loaded up already. Oh, very smooth. So just want to see the settings. So this is all the setting. Okay, about the phone. Okay, so as you can see, there's the storage. Now been used 24.7 gigs been used. Android version 11. The security update is the quite latest, 1st of August. All right. Nice color. Screen. Okay, let's see the camera. Welcome to camera. Okay, agree. Allow camera. Okay. So, wow. Looks clear, very clear. Okay, with AI. Just the video. Okay. Overall, yeah, I like it. So, yeah. So I think, yeah, that's about it. So feel free to check out the website as I'll be list the website here of this product at the below description. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching.